Today, we're diving into how to add data to users with custom user properties in HubSpot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create custom user properties and start organizing your HubSpot users with personalized fields, unlocking a whole new level of tracking, reporting, and team management inside your account. Let's jump straight into it, starting with creating a custom user property. First, you'll head over to your HubSpot account. Look for the familiar gear icon up in the top navigation bar and give it a click. That's your gateway to all the settings. It might seem like a small detail, but this is where most of HubSpot's customization magic starts. Next, on the left side, you'll see a vertical sidebar. Scroll through until you find Properties. This menu is where you define just about anything related to your CRM data. Now, here's an important step. Make sure you click on the Select an Object drop-down menu and choose Contact Properties. This tells HubSpot you want to set up properties for your contacts, which is key for tracking meaningful user info. Just above the list of existing properties, there's a button labeled Create Property. Click that, and you'll see a panel slide open on the right side of your screen. Here's where things get interesting. You can configure details for your new property. Give it a clear label. Think of this as the name people will see. Set an internal name, which is how HubSpot references it in automated actions or reports, and add a description. This description is super helpful for other team members down the road. It's like leaving instructions for anyone who's wondering, what's this field for? Choosing the right field type is worth spending a moment on. Depending on the kind of data you want to store, you might select text for names, number for IDs or scores, drop-down select to standardize your options, even linking it to another HubSpot user property if that better fits your workflow. Don't rush here. Picking the most suitable type will make your data easier to search and segment later. Once you're satisfied with the details, just click Create. That's it. Your custom property is ready. Now, let's talk about adding data to a user with one of your new custom properties. Again, start by clicking the gear icon in HubSpot's top bar to open up your settings. Then, look at the left sidebar and find Users and Teams. This is where you see everyone who has access to your account. In the user table, scroll through until you spot the user you want to edit. Click on their name to open their profile. You'll notice several tabs on the left, one of which says Custom User Properties. If you don't see it, sometimes this means your plan may need to be upgraded to access those features, but the layout is generally quite intuitive. This is where your custom fields live. Within this tab, it's simply a matter of filling in the fields with your new data. Whether it's department numbers, manager name, region, certifications, you name it. Enter the info that matters for your workflow. Then hit Save. You've just added custom data to a user, tailored for your needs. If you run into anything confusing, take your time. These steps can be repeated for any property and user. Adding custom properties really helps when you want to filter, report, or automate processes that are unique to your business. It's a bit like customizing a backpack with different compartments for exactly what you want to carry. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more how-to guides and HubSpot tips. See you next time.